This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
But this JSON XML, okay? Hey, you have to know both. It's all about the data type. Data type means data format, okay? Data format means, look at this data, right? So yeah, why, you can say why this, there are so many formats. Well, don't ask me. There is a complexity and the easiness everywhere else. XML is old, getting started, and the JSON is super convenient. People say it's very easy. So look at this. JSON works like the key and the value. Left side is the key, right side is the value. Left side information and the total information we call the payload. And total information is stored on the database. How many things you learn? You learn a lot of things, the simple things. It's a JSON format. Start with the curly braces, stop with the curly braces. Left side is the key, right side is the value. The key has to be double quote and the colon, and the value has to be double quote. Value has to be double quote if it is the string. String means text. If it is the integer, you don't need to do the double quote. The entire things is called the payload. Entire things expose to the specific endpoint. And remember this, get, there is no payload. Post, put, delete, update, they have all the payload. All this interview question you need to learn. Okay, so you can answer. And that's actually the payload. Remember this, the same payload will be checking into the database very soon. But this is exactly the payload of your user story or of your endpoint. Where is the payload stored now? It's in the backend. Where else? In the database.